You will love the features of this 2021 INFINITI QX50. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Relax and enjoy the ride in this elegantly appointed QX50. From its sumptuous interior to its suite of advanced safety and infotainment features, this spacious, peaceful SUV offers a world of premium comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, floor mats, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows. Premium luxury meets convenient versatility in this thoughtfully designed QX50. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.